Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to translate your videos into different languages. Let me show you a sample.
Podemos hacer esto con un simple prompt que solo tienes que escribir. Así que, suponiendo que accedes a Gemini yendo a gemini.google.com, por supuesto, tienes que iniciar sesión con tu cuenta. Una vez que estés aquí, puedes iniciar un nuevo chat.
And this is myself speaking Spanish, which I don't know how to, but it's an AI tool that converts one of my videos into this. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this. Now you have to start by accessing the tool, which is heygen.com. We can go to heygen or app.heygen.com and it's going to bring you over here. And what you need to look for is translate over here at the top left. So once you're here, you can just go ahead and upload the video that we want to translate. We have the option to upload the video in this format, or we can paste in the URL, and that's the best part I like about this. We can just easily go to any YouTube video and just copy the link and just come over here and paste it. So it's easy to just paste it on YouTube and then ask it to convert to any language of your choice. So as I have this YouTube link that I want to convert, so I can just go ahead, paste it in here and hit on this enter icon, and it's going to go ahead and give me this continue sign. I can hit on the continue to go to the next page, which is now I'll have to choose the language that I want to use. So for example, in this case, I want to use Spanish, and you can just go ahead and you'll be able to see Spanish down here, Spanish, and then you can click out. Mind you, you can do more than one language. If you want to add, you can add more than one languages. You can tick more than one languages also, so you can have different versions of the video. So this is the quick translate. You can check the advanced features and you can enable all of these. Lip sync, if you are using a video directly, you can enable lip sync and allow dynamic duration if you want it to be aligned directly with the length of the video. So everything would be arranged, so everything will be within that length. It's not going to be fast, it's not going to be slower. So this is a very important feature to make sure it is clicked before you go on to the translation. Then go back to the quick translate and just go ahead and hit on enter to this. This is now going to go ahead and convert your video, and then it's going to give you the result. Once everything is converted into your email, we're going to receive a notification that video had been converted. Let me just play the video so you can have a preview of what has been created for me.
Hola a todos y bienvenidos de nuevo al canal. En este tutorial les voy a mostrar cómo crear un chatbot local dentro de Canva AI o dentro de la plataforma de Canva, con el que pueden interactuar directamente, hacerle preguntas sobre un diseño en particular en el que hayan trabajado sucesivamente. Así que digamos que voy a crear un chatbot local.
Alright, so once you have it created, you can go ahead and you can download this. If you're interested, you can download it directly, or you can share with your friends directly also. And if you like, you can rename it and give it another name completely if you're interested. So you can download this and re-upload, or you can open a new channel to this particular language to translate your content directly in that language. I found it exceptionally useful because it aligns perfectly with the length of the video that I've created and with the speed at which the voiceover is being read out. Most at times you find this variation in the speed. Some can be very slow and some can be very fast, and it will really affect the tutorial, for example in this how-to tutorial video kind of. So please go ahead, explore and see how you can use this very simple AI tool to your own advantage. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.